Yeah, boy.
Hey guys,
Hey, dude.
I've been working on some pretty abstract art. Could I get your thoughts?
I thought you were painting us.
What do you see?
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 I see a cat.
Interesting. Connor,
Yeah, I see a cat.
don't be influenced by Benton.
I'm not. That is a cat.
No, it's abstraction. It could be anything. Hope. A steamliner.
That can only be a cat.
Okay, y'all are being so close-minded right now.
No, Brandon, look at it. That is your cat.
What? I don't know what that is. I've never seen that before in my life.
That's Ned.
I don't know what you're even talking about right now.
Is everything okay?
No, everything is not okay. You guys keep boxing me in. All I wanted was some feedback.
Is this because we didn't share the sandwich?
Not food back.
Hey, don't talk to your friend like that.
What was that? You little shit. I've had it up to here. I've had enough. I'm done. I am done.
Fine. I'm moving out then, and I'm taking Ned with me.
Oh, now you know who, Ned.
No. But I'm gonna find out. And I'm gonna find out a lot about this world.
Now look what you made Benton do.
I don't want you two to fight anymore.
You know that feeling when you look at a picture or a word and you know it, but then it just suddenly feels unfamiliar to you?
You mean semantic satiation?
Sure, bud. That's how I feel about myself right now.
Oh, Connor.
Oh, Connor.